Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Bold Glamour effect on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So there are two ways to do this. So let's start at the first way. So now you just want to click on the search button at the lower right corner of your screen and search for Bold Glamour effect. Now you can see this effect section here at the upper part of your screen, so you just want to click on that and you can now start taking your video. Or if you don't have this section, just go ahead and click in any of these. So I'm just gonna pause it so that you can hear me. So now here at the upper part of their username, you can see one icon that has a text that says Bold Glamour. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see a use this effect option here at the lower part of your screen. So in order to save that or this effect on your device, just go ahead and click on add to favorites, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.